Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can erase your volume from Mac. So if you do it like this and you can't do it, so just tap on Launchpad, just tap on Others, and here you will see Disk Utility, so just tap on it. And here you can also see our when we choose our hard drive, so we can't erase it. So here you can see that this option is disabled. So how we can fix it? So just tap on Apple logo, just choose shutdown and just submit shutdown. So now you just need to wait some time until it will turn off our computer, and now just tap on power button and just press on command or at one time. So just keep pressing these two buttons for some time and just release your fingers from these two buttons. So now just wait until macOS will load our utilities. So here you can see Apple logo and loading bar. So we just need to wait until it will successfully load our utilities. So first step will be we need to choose language and just tap next or enter. So now we just need to wait until it will examine our volumes and load all of apps. So here you can see disk utility, so just tap on disk utility and just choose on continue. And now we just need to choose our hard drive, so here you can see it, Macintosh, and here you can see that we can successfully erase it by pressing here, and it will erase all our hard drive. So this is the way how we can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.